Music director Taman hits and flops, all movies list, not musically, content based. Number 1 Malli Malli released in 2009 flop. Number 2 Kick released in 2009 blockbuster. Number 3 Beebastam released in 2009 flop. Number 4 Anjaneyulu released in 2009 average. Number 5 Shankam released in 2009 hit. Number 6 Vaishali released in 2009 hit. Number 7 Jayi Bova released in 2009 flop. Number 8 Mudinam Partane released in 2009 hit. Number 9 Tilalangadi released in 2010 hit. Number 10 Moscovin Kaveri released in 2010 flop. Number 11 Brindavanam released in 2010 super hit. Number 12 Nagaram Marupakkam released in 2010 flop. Number 13 INR released in 2010 average. Number 14 Aridu Aridu released in 2010 flop. Number 15 Ragada released in 2010 average. Number 16 Mirapakai released in 2011 super hit. Number 17 Bebbuli released in 2011 flop. Number 18 Sabai Sariyana Potti released in 2011 average. Number 19 Veera released in 2011 flop. Number 20 Kanchana released in 2011 blockbuster. Number 21 Vachadu Gelichadu released in 2011 average. Number 22 Kandiriga released in 2011 super hit. Number 23 Dookudu released in 2011 blockbuster. Number 24 Timmiri released in 2011 flop. Number 25 Maunaguru released in 2011 super hit. Number 26 Businessman released in 2012 super hit. Number 27 Bodyguard released in 2012 hit. Number 28 Nippu released in 2012 flop. Number 29 Love Failure released in 2012 hit. Number 30 Ishtam released in 2012 flop. Number 31 Tadiyara Taka released in 2012 super hit. Number 32 Kanna Laddu Tinna Asaya released in 2012 blockbuster. Number 33 Nayak released in 2013 super hit. Number 34 Crazy released in 2013 flop. Number 35 Jabardast released in 2013 flop. Number 36 Shadow released in 2013 flop. Number 37 Badshah released in 2013 super hit. Number 38 Greek Viridu released in 2013 flop. Number 39 Gauravam released in 2013 flop. Number 40 Tadaka released in 2013 super hit. Number 41 Balupu released in 2013 blockbuster. Number 42 Dhirudu released in 2013 flop. Number 43 Ramaya Vastavaya released in 2013 average. Number 44 Masala released in 2013 flop. Number 45 All in All Agazu Raja released in 2013 flop. Number 46 Valinam released in 2014 hit. Number 47 Resuguram released in 2014 blockbuster. Number 48 Dhanadhan released in 2014 flop. Number 49 Atiyayam released in 2014 hit. Number 50 Kathai Tirakathai Vasanam Iyakkam released in 2014 flop. Number 51 Rabasa released in 2014 flop. Number 52 Power released in 2014 super hit. Number 53 Power remake of Dukudu in Kannada released in 2014 hit. Number 54 Monday Suryudu released in 2014 flop. Number 55 Beeruva released in 2015 flop. Number 56 Tiger released in 2015 average. Number 57 Savale Samali released in 2015 hit. Number 58 Valu released in 2015 average. Number 59 Kanchana 2 released in 2015 super hit. Number 60 Pandaga Chesko released in 2015 average. Number 61 Rakshasudu released in 2015 average. Number 62 Kick 2 released in 2015 flop. Number 63 Shakalakala Vallavan Appatakkar released in 2015 flop. Number 64 Sagasam released in 2015 flop. Number 65 Bruce Lee released in 2015 flop. Number 66 Sher released in 2015 flop. Number 67 Akil released in 2015 flop. Number 68 Dictator released in 2016 average. Number 69 Chakravyuha released in 2016 hit. Number 70 Aratu Sinam released in 2016, super hit. Number 71, Zoom, released in 2016, hit. Number 72, Sarainodu, released in 2016, blockbuster. Number 73, Dammunte Summira, released in 2016, hit. Number 74, Chuttalabbai, released in 2016, flop. Number 75, Shridastu Shubhamastu, released in 2016, hit. Number 76, Tikka, released in 2016, flop. Number 77, Jaguar, released in 2016, average. Number 78, Shivlinga, released in 2017, super hit. Number 79, Winner, released in 2017, flop. Number 80, Ivan Tantiran, released in 2017, hit. Number 81, Thiri, released in 2017, flop. Number 82, Veedevadu, released in 2017, flop. Number 83, Gautam Nanda, released in 2017, average. Number 84, Mahan Baudu, released in 2017, super hit. Number 85, Rajagari Gadi 2, released in 2017, hit. Number 86, Jawan, released in 2017, flop. Number 87, Golmaal Again, released in 2017, flop. Number 88, Vagai Express, released in 2017, flop. Number 89, Bhagamati, released in 2018, super hit. Number 90, Toli Prema, released in 2018, blockbuster. Number 91, Intelligent, released in 2018, flop. Number 92, Chalmohan Ranga, released in 2018, flop. Number 93, Sketch, released in 2018, flop. Number 94, Gayatri, released in 2018, average. Number 95, Achari America Yatra, released in 2018, flop. Number 96, Amar Akbar Anthony, released in 2018, flop. Number 97, Aravinda Sameta Veera Raghava, released in 2018, super hit. Number 98, Happy Wedding, released in 2018, flop. Number 99, Kavacham, released in 2018, flop. Number 100, Orange, Kannada movie, released in 2018, hit. Number 101, Simba, released in 2018, hit. Number 102, Mr. Majnu, released in 2019, hit. Number 103, Ninu Veedanu Needu Nene, released in 2019, hit. Number 104, Vadaladu, released in 2019, average. Number 105, Magamuni, released in 2019, hit. Number 106, Pratiroju Pandage, released in 2019, hit. Number 107, Venki Mama, released in 2019, super hit. Number 108, Ala Vaikuntapuramlo, released in 2020, blockbuster. Number 109, Disco Raja, released in 2020, flop. Number 110, Solo Bratke So Better, released in 2020, flop. Number 111, Crack, released in 2021, blockbuster. Number 112, Ishwaram, released in 2021, hit. Number 113, Wild Dog, released in 2021, flop. Number 114, Yuvaratna, released in 2021, super hit. Number 115, Vakil Sab, released in 2021, super hit. Number 116, Tag Jadish, released in 2021, flop. Number 117, Varudu Kavalinu, released in 2021, average. Number 118, Enemy, released in 2021, average. Number 119, Akhanda, released in 2021, blockbuster. Number 120, Super Machi, released in 2022, flop. Number 121, Bimla Naik, released in 2022, super hit. Number 122, Gani, released in 2022, flop. Number 123, Sarkar Varipata, released in 2022, super hit. Number 124, Thank You, released in 2022, flop. Number 125, Godfather, released in 2022, average. Number 126, Prince, released in 2022, flop. Number 127, Varisu, released in 2023, super hit. Number 128, Veerasimha Reddy, released in 2023, blockbuster. Number 129, Bro, released in 2023, average. Number 130, Skanda, released in 2023, flop. Number 131, Bhagwant Kesari, released in 2023, blockbuster. Number 132, Annapurni, released in 2023, flop. Number 133, Guntur Karam, released in 2024, average. Number 134, Rasavati, released in 2024, average. Number 135, Singham Again, released in 2024, average. Number 136, Baby John, released in 2024, average. Missing movies. Number 1, Kanchana 3, super hit. Number 2, Voter, flop. Number 3, Miss India, flop. Number 4, Agadu, flop. Number 5, Vanmanam, flop. Number 6, తమీజుకు ఎన్ ఒండ్రై అజితవం, హిట్. నెక్స్ట్, జనవరిలో రిలీజ్ అవ్వడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్న మూవీస్. నంబర్ 1, గేమ్ చేంజర్. ఈ మూవీ జనవరి 10న రిలీజ్ అవ్వడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంది. నంబర్ 2, డాకు మహారాజ్. ఈ మూవీ జనవరి 12న రిలీజ్ అవ్వడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంది.